Good morning, everyone. Wow, I'm small today. I tried changing that yesterday during a recording and it didn't take, but today it takes. So anyway, I'm way down here. Morning, everyone. It is Friday, May 5th. Made it to Friday. Before I go any further, come win some free stuff on WhatNot tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern. 125 giveaways. And just three little cards, but still they're free. Three little cards, postcards. Doing 125 of them. So what's that? 470, 375, and then the buyer's appreciation giveaway, because I'll be doing some buy it nows. I have stuff in the buy it now section. Will be a full tub of postcards, and I got to work on that this morning. So come see me on WhatNot. Win some free stuff. And so yeah, yesterday wasn't that great. 64, half of what was the day before. Today I'm off to 104, and I had one card made up $70 of that. So let's pull our 15 orders for 169. Nice. Don't really have a whole bunch to talk about today. I will be boring and repetitive, which is what postcards can be. But at least every day you see something different. And this is Richie's Townhouse Steak. Ooh, a steak sounds actually pretty darn good right now. So a couple bucks, $6. eBay. I had another issue with eBay last night. I was trying to switch I'm trying to get another store going, and it gave me that error. Thought I was a bot, that I was just too fast. So I don't know if they're still experiencing denial of service. I don't know. But and let me see. I did bust my ass yesterday and get auctions up and running. I wanted to use my 500 auctions in May. You have them. You might as well use them. Didn't do... Oh, I listed all the cards I got at Allentown. And from last week when I went to Pittsburgh and I hit some antique malls there, all that's been listed. So, and I comped the 250 cards I bought in Pittsburgh and our surrounding areas and Allentown. I comped those. Took a long time to do that, but I got them listed and comped them and listed them at the price I'd be happy if I got that one bidder. I'm killing it here. $1.50 for a card. I can't imagine I made more than a quarter. But I have a lot of these. I think I have a lot of these. And they're just sitting here. Might as well take a quarter for something that's been sitting here for a while. Uh-oh. Where are you, dude? You way in the back? You way in the back. Stephen Austin, father of Texas. I'm curious how much I made on that. It can't be much. After 74 cents for shipping, 11 cents for a mailer, penny sleeve, I may have made 10 cents. But hey, would you not pick up a dime if you found it on the sidewalk? I'd pick up a dime. I'd pick up a nickel. I'd pick up a penny. Easy money. Okay, what do we got now? 2D34. 2D34. So today, got the HVAC guy coming back to do the measurements they have to measure how much duct work they need to replace. I'm doing it in the furnace and the outside unit. I have two of these. And it's like before any type of rebates and discounts, it was $20,000. I also went for the highest efficiency. We're going to be here for another 20, 30 years. Gas prices, natural gas prices, I don't imagine are going to be going down anytime soon. So instead of putting 20% up the chimney, I'm putting 3% up now, or will. But after all the rebates, incentives, all that stuff, it came to like 17. So I didn't think that was bad. And our unit's 21 years old, and it's limping along. And so hopefully with a new system, it'll also reduce our gas bill and our electric bill. So all paid for by Postcards. And also, new roof will be going on in a couple weeks. Needed that done too. It's also 21 years old. No trees around my house, so it gets beaten by sun. So, expensive year, but you need to keep the house up. And again, Postcards paid for it, or will pay for it. Okay, what's that? Rye, New York. Rye, New York, I really don't do very well with. But that one sold. Dude bought a whole bunch of airplane cards. That one. And someone else got that one. Oh, forgot about that trade card. We'll get to that trade card here. What is that one? 8036. I guess it's the buyer. He had sent me a message and said, hey, was this painted over? Because the colors are very sharp, and it's the Epson. If I have one complaint about the Epson printer or scanner, is it does not handle orange or red well at all. It'll really brighten up the image. So I just took a picture with my phone, and it's a lot. It's more true to color, if that makes sense. So there's those. I can't remember. I think I got these from my guy Dave at the Allentown a year or two ago. It says ring. It kind of looks like a tire. Watch cases, okay. So there's that one, and Frank got a card. Frank, I bet you got that one. You did. So hopefully you come see me on WhatNot. Don't have to buy anything. No pressure. Come hang out. Okay, Tyler got that one. And I got that one. And I wonder if they have an issue, because these two are the exact same cards. I just happened to run into them at different times listing airplane postcards. One was probably 3 years ago, and the other one was probably a year and a half ago. And it's exact same card. And I just listed it twice. So he bought two of the exact same card. And then there's that one. That might be it. Nope. Oh, yeah, this is a cool card. I talked to my members about that, but it's the first baseball card featuring a girl. How about that? 210. And the person who bought it is going to display it in some display about women in baseball. So I thought that was cool. And it came with a bunch of postcards, and it actually is a ball card. So that was neat. And the last one here, New Preston, Connecticut. So that's it. And yeah, that's it. If there's any Ink Frog people stuck around, it's pretty much what I do. And I thought it was kind of neat that my little video ended up in the e-commerce bites, linked from e-commerce bites article. And 6-bit, man, if you're listening, I think you're missing out on an opportunity. And I know when TurboLister was going away, 6-bit just jumped on it. It was like, hey, we're 6-bit. Come over if you're a TurboLister user. And I haven't seen anything from them. They should definitely jump on and try to get the Ink Frog people. So maybe they are. Maybe I was just quicker than everybody else. Anyway, I think that's it. We'll do a quick refresh. And yeah, that's it. So everybody, hope you have a great weekend. Hope you have really good sales. I have nothing going on this weekend. I've moved my Saturday WhatNot already to the following week or 2 weeks. So I have nothing going on Saturday, Sunday, and I hope to be doing a listing marathon. So, okay, everybody, have a great weekend. Bye.